What's up, my YouTube family? Welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how I do my detoxification. It is simple, very effective, and too affordable. Guess what? It is a DIY. Do it yourself. I use lemon-cayenne pepper detox because of its potential health benefits. Okay, let's dive in and I show you how I do prepare my lemon-cayenne pepper detox tea. With this regime, you have to drink it twice or once a week. So what you need to be with in your kitchen is cayenne pepper, honey, hot water, and lemon. No matter the color of the lemon, as long as it is lemon, yellow, green, it all works the same. Start with making the lemon juice as you're seeing me doing. Then get the cayenne pepper and put it in the cup. And then after that, add in the lemon juice, and after add in the honey. Most of the times I use 2 to 4 teaspoons of honey, and then from there add in the hot water, and after stir to mix. To get best results, you have to drink this tea when it's still hot. In addition to this tea, you have to incorporate this cayenne pepper into your meals. Sprinkle it on stews, salads, and soup, and even on other dishes to add a spicy kick and also to promote detoxification. And as usual, you have to stay hydrated. Don't forget to take water. Take a lot of water, from 15 to 20 glasses of water. I take 15 to 20 glasses of water. I mean drinking water a day. This helps in the process of flushing out all the toxins, and I always stay hydrated.